Hello guys, welcome to the brand new course on React.js. Myself Gopi and I'm going to be your instructor throughout the course. So before getting started introducing about the course, let me introduce myself. I have around a decade of experience in developing various mobile applications and then web applications. I have vast amount of experiences in React.js application development and I'm here to share those experiences with you all. If you are not aware of what React is, if you are not at all started with React, and this is going to be the complete beginner course, because here we are starting from the absolute scratch. We start with what is React.js, how are we going to set up the local development environment, what are all the topics that we need, everything we will be covering from the absolute scratch. What is states? Of course, we do have a separate dedicated video for every topic, theoretical as well as the practical one. States will be having a video which explain what the state is, how are we going to implement that as a separate video. And we do have another video where we will be discussing about direct practical implementation of states in our application. Likewise, we will be discussing about props, we'll be discussing about hook methods, virtual DOM, server-side rendering and whatnot. Whatever that is available in React, I'm going to cover that everything within this specific video course. Without any delay, let's get started with the introduction of React.js in the next video. Happy to be here. Hope you enjoy the course. Till then, bye. Take care.